Welcome to the application portal of Mentorium GmbH. Here you can find all freelancer positions and vacancies for our service areas, as follows: Lingidoo, Mentorium, and Civikids. You are a freelancer and want to apply for one or more positions. With our application portal, we want to keep the effort for you as low as possible and enable a fast processing. And here's how it works. When you submit your application documents, you will get an applicant account. This allows you to manage your current applications and apply for another job at any time. Some positions require the implementation of smaller trial projects. You can also manage these via your applicant account. Our recruiting team will give you feedback on trial projects and also support you with questions about the application process and onboarding. You can view the current status of your application in your applicant account. In addition, you will also receive feedback and status mails. This way, you always have an overview of the application process. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to contact our recruiting team by email or by phone on weekdays. We look forward to hearing from you.